Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm showing you how to make the sun and the moon geometry art or the string art. As you can see, I've already made my pattern. It's on a circular board. Kindly check in the description the type of materials that you're going to need and all the requirements. Also guys, remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, to like the video, and also leave a comment if you have anything to say. And let's begin. So here are my strings. For the outer pattern, I'll be using this light brown string. And for the circular part, the inner part, I'll be using this white. The circle part, I'm using the cardioid pattern. Kindly check in the description part how to make this pattern. exactly that is the sun and the moon geometry art? Kindly tell me in the comment section how it is. Remember to subscribe guys to give me your support, also to like the video, and thank you so much for watching this video.